Mix a banana with this ingredient. Belly fat disappears from the first sip. Take one banana and peel it. This fruit provides energy, potassium, and natural sugars, boosting metabolism. Cut it into smaller pieces and toss them into a blender. Next, take one green apple, cut it in half, and add it to the blender as well. Green apples are rich in fiber, support digestion, and help regulate blood sugar levels. Now grab the secret ingredient, chia seeds. Packed with fiber, omega-3, and protein, they aid fat burning and improve digestion. Finally, pour in 3½ fluid ounces of milk or a plant-based alternative. Blend everything until smooth. Pour into a glass and drink up. This recipe works wonders. The combination of banana, apple, and chia seeds creates a drink that speeds up metabolism, supports digestion, and provides your body with essential nutrients. Drink this smoothie regularly and you'll notice the difference. What can 1 teaspoon of baking soda do for your body? In this video, I'll reveal 6 health benefits of this versatile powder. Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, is a white crystalline powder widely used in cooking, cosmetics, and medicine. Its health benefits have been valued for years, making it a great addition to any home remedy kit. The first benefit is its ability to neutralize acidity and heartburn. It acts as an antacid, relieving indigestion. A simple solution of baking soda and water can help ease digestive discomfort. Baking soda also has anti-inflammatory properties and can soothe skin irritations like insect bites, burns, and rashes. In oral hygiene, it neutralizes acids, protecting tooth enamel and freshening breath. A water and baking soda rinse can help fight bacteria responsible for bad breath. Inhalations with baking soda can relieve respiratory infections, and it's also effective in treating mouth ulcers and inflammation. Regular mouth rinsing with a baking soda solution speeds up healing and reduces discomfort. Baking soda is a powerful, multi-purpose remedy. However, it should be used wisely and in moderation to maximize its benefits. Natural home remedy for overeating. It eliminates bloating, gas, and stomach pain while supporting digestion. The feeling of fullness disappears instantly, bringing quick relief. Take ½ teaspoon of coriander seeds and crush them in a mortar. Coriander improves digestion and helps with bloating. Add cumin seeds, known for relieving stomach pain, bloating, and digestive issues. Cumin regulates bowel function, aids both diarrhea and constipation, and stimulates digestive juices. Next, add a few black peppercorns. The piperine in black pepper promotes stomach acid and enzyme production. Include a small piece of ginger to combat bloating, nausea, and vomiting. Add dried mint, which stimulates digestion and soothes discomfort caused by overeating. Lastly, mix in a pinch of turmeric, which boosts bile production, aiding fat digestion. Crush all ingredients well. Pour ½ liter of water into a pot. Add the spice mixture and bring to a boil. Simmer for about 5 minutes, then strain the liquid. This drink relieves bloating, excessive gas, and stomach pain caused by overeating. Drink 1 glass in the morning and evening until symptoms subside. In much smaller amounts, it can also be given to children over 12 months old. Do you have your own remedies for overeating? Drink it every morning before breakfast, and you'll burn belly fat in a week. Start by taking a lemon and rolling it on the counter. This helps release more juice. Cut it in half and squeeze out the juice using a juicer. Lemons are rich in vitamin C, aid digestion, and help cleanse the body. Next, take a freshly washed cucumber and cut it into smaller pieces. Cucumbers hydrate, act as a diuretic, and help flush out toxins. Peel a piece of ginger and grate it finely. Ginger boosts metabolism, improves digestion, and supports fat burning. Grab a handful of parsley and chop it finely. Don't throw away the lemon peels. They contain fiber and essential oils that support digestion and fat burning. Cut them into smaller pieces and toss them into a blender. Add 3½ fluid ounces of water, grated ginger, chopped cucumber, and parsley. Finally, pour in the freshly squeezed lemon juice. Close the blender and blend everything into a smooth shake. This homemade drink is a proven fat burner. With natural ingredients, it boosts metabolism and speeds up weight loss. Drink it regularly, and you'll notice the difference fast. A lesser-known cough and immunity syrup made from common household leaves. This natural mixture helps you breathe easier and provides relief from infections with its essential oils. It's a great alternative to onion syrup, which not everyone likes. This syrup uses just 3 ingredients. First, bay leaves, which contain cineol and eugenol with antibacterial and antifungal properties, as well as camphor and linalool for anti-inflammatory effects. Start with 8 bay leaves. Boil 250 milliliters of water in a pot, add the leaves, reduce heat, cover, and simmer for about 15 minutes. Strain the leaves and let the liquid cool. Stir in 6 tablespoons of honey until dissolved, then add the juice of 1 lemon, transfer to a clean jar, and seal. Adults can take 3 tablespoons daily on an empty stomach, while children should have 3 teaspoons. This syrup also helps with digestive issues, indigestion, and bloating. It's inexpensive and easy to make but invaluable for your health. Pour milk over the carrot. This is an old home remedy that my grandmother still uses today, and its preparation is incredibly simple. Start by cutting 1 carrot into smaller pieces. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, which supports immunity and helps regenerate mucous membranes. Prepare a pot and add the chopped carrot. Pour in enough milk to fully cover it. Milk has a soothing effect on an irritated throat, helping to reduce coughing and phlegm. Simmer over low heat until the carrot becomes soft. A fork should easily pierce it. Once the carrot is ready, transfer it along with the milk into a blender and blend until smooth and uniform. Pour the finished syrup into a jar and store it in the refrigerator. This is a simple, homemade remedy for coughs that contains no artificial additives or preservatives. Regular use of 1 teaspoon a day can bring relief and naturally improve well-being. The soup that saved thousands of children's lives. Mothers of young children still use it today. Ernst Moro, an Austrian pediatrician, provided its recipe at the beginning of the 20th century. He discovered that this soup reduces mortality in children. It consists of only 3 ingredients: carrots, water, and salt. Peel 1/2 kilogram of carrots. This valuable vegetable contains, among other things, vitamins A, E, C, and K. It also has many valuable minerals such as potassium, sodium, calcium, iron, magnesium, and zinc. Cut the peeled carrots into pieces. Put them in a pot. Pour 1 liter of water over them. Cook the carrots for 90 minutes. It was Ernst Moro who discovered that carrots cooked in this way could save newborns' lives. After cooking, drain the remaining water, then make a puree from the carrots. Our grandmothers use it a potato masher. But a blender will crush the cooked carrots faster and more thoroughly. Fill the drained water to 1 liter with boiling water and pour it into the carrots. Add 3 grams of salt. This prepared soup protects children from bacteria. Oligosaccharides contained in carrots prevent bacteria from adhering to the intestinal walls. This prevents diarrhea. Since the discovery of this soup, the mortality rate of children caused by diarrhea has significantly decreased.